Thanks for watching today. We're gonna have a great show. We've got a meetup today with 313 to AZ. That's TJ. He's a friend of mine. We've met up a few times. He's doing some tremendous things. He's got his new BMW. Previously, he had the 313 to AZ. He had the Dodge Charger Hellcat wide-body, one of the first ones in the Valley. He had some super great mods. He had that vehicle up to close to 1,000 horsepower. Listen, his M850, we are about to go take a look at it, put some stuff together on this nice, beautiful Sunday out here in Arizona. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. Let's check it out. So we are getting it ready. We got 313 to AZ about to show up. Man. M850i, that's what I'm talking about. What's up, brother?
What's up, man? Look at that mobile in here. What's up, C8 Matrix fam?
That's right. We got 313 to AZ, and we got the C8 Matrix. Been out here for a few minutes, just getting prepped.
I know, you're not really slow, man. You know, I'm here. C8 Matrix 2.0.
This car here now. Doing big things here in the A. Woo! You want to ride in luxury and have high performance? This is just so nice, man. You know, hey, I ride, I sell, and I've owned quite a few BMWs, Mercedes-Benz. This M Sport, this is so nice. Definitely something that you can show the performance. All right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you ain't give me that time. That's what we get you right here in the turbo, baby.
3. Ooh, that thing got some power.
After we get off the road, I'll tell you where this thing is slow at. Well, you probably will find out. I'm telling you, I already kind of told you, bro. This turbo lag is slow. You're oh. I don't know if you can hear that. You probably can hear it when you
Ready?
1,
Count.
2, 3.
So I'm out here with TJ 313 to AZ. We are out here filming in the heat. The desert sun is kicking about 100, at least 110, 115 out here. But we got some beautiful cars. We got the new HTC Z51. He's got the BMW M850. And listen, this thing definitely has the get up and go. It's got the pulling. If I told you I couldn't keep up with it, you just have to keep eye on the video. He's definitely got a winner here. Yeah.
Bro, this you don't get to see anything from that side. You know what I'm saying? Like the full cockpit.
No, it's designed for the driver in mind.
Yeah, damn.
Yep. So you are all set, man. All you got to do is strap in.
I got to strap in for sure, guys. Safety first. American supercar. I think it's time to stop saying American and just say supercar, don't you?
That's it.
So I'm going.
Put it in drive.
Going drive.
Pull back. There you go. Power brake.
Where we at here?
One foot on the brake.
Yep. And then you launch the same.
Launch the same.
So hold both.
Just hold both. Give it some gas. You'll see. Yeah, you can feel it.
Why you let up? You know why? Because I thought it was gonna give it a little spin, but now we know this thing locked. Real locked, huh? This go gets the
Bro.
I'm gonna stop. Come on, man, you serious? This thing feel like a straight muscle car, but then the agility on there is ridiculous. You know what I mean? A muscle car, that launch got some power behind it, man. Alright. That was just a warm-up, guys.
That was just a warm-up.
That was just a warm-up. This real sweat from me driving a $130,000 car. I'll probably do it 100 times. Man.
You can feel it, can't you?
You can feel it 100 times. The thing is, the gears though so smooth. They don't talk a lot about that, huh?
Oh yeah, that dual clutch is on point, man. It hits.
Yeah, you barely know.
You hit that, and then you got your paddle shifters, and it shifts right on point. The older Corvette had a delay.
Oh yeah, man.
This is us, everybody.
You gotta hop in the boat now, man. You gotta hop in the boat.